Hi, this is Zoe from Care Patron, and in this video I will guide you through emotional body maps. An emotional body map is a powerful therapeutic tool employed in counseling and therapy to facilitate a deeper understanding and effective communication of one's emotions. It serves as a visual representation of the human body, highlighting the physical sensations and emotional associations tied to various regions. Typically integrated into talk therapy and other therapeutic modalities, the moving body map empowers individuals to navigate their dynamic landscapes more clearly. The primary objective of this tool is to assist individuals in pinpointing and articulating emotions that might prove challenging to express verbally. Often people need help identifying specific emotional states or encountering physical sensations that elude precise description. By plotting these physical sensations about emotions on the body map, individuals gain profound insights into their emotional experiences. Emotions are highly personal and their manifestations can vary widely. Some individuals may predominantly sense emotions in specific regions such as chest or stomach. By identifying these patterns, individuals can cultivate heightened self-awareness, recognize emotions as they emerge, and cultivate personalized emotional regulation and well-being strategies. To use our free emotional body map, follow these steps. Download our emotional body map from the Care Patron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Reflect on your current emotional state. Take some time to identify and label your emotions. Are you feeling happy, sad, anxious, or angry? Be specific about what you're experiencing. Use different colors or shading techniques to represent the intensity of each emotion. For example, you might use a darker shade to signify stronger emotions and a lighter shade for milder ones. Pay close attention to your body. Where do you feel each emotion physically? Is there tension in your shoulders when you're stressed? A fluttering feeling in your stomach when you're anxious? Mark these areas on the body map. Draw lines or arrows connecting each emotion to its corresponding physical sensations on the body map. This step helps you establish a link between your feelings and how they manifest physically. Take a moment to look at the completed map. Notice any patterns or trends. Are there specific areas where emotions consistently manifest? Are there surprises or new insights that you've gained from this exercise? Use the information gathered to set personal goals. For instance, if you consistently experience tension in your neck when stressed, you might incorporate relaxation techniques or stress reduction practices into your daily routine. Regularly update your emotional body map to track progress and adapt emotional well-being strategies. Here is a sample of our emotional body map, which you can find on our Care Patron platform. To find our emotional body map, go to our Care Patron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Care Patron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Care Patron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.